Did you ever watch Apostle Chris' video and you saw him say, "Take it"? Someone once told me, "I don't believe in that. Jesus never did that." Well, you need to read today's Rhapsody Realities and get to see if that's true. And what happens when the man of God says, "Take it"? What do you really take? What happens to your spirit? All these questions and more gets answered in today's Rhapsody Realities. Remember, you can be a partner with the Rhapsody Realities today. Use the link showing below and click on it and decide how many copies of Rhapsody Realities you can do today. And also, if you've not downloaded the Rhapsody Realities app, go ahead and download it. Let somebody know about Rhapsody Realities. This is Rhapsody Clicks, and you're going to have a fantastic day today. Love you. God bless you.